This is how to cut a 90-degree HAGA profile. An ideal HAGA corner piece will look like this when the parts are joined together. Mark your HAGA profile with a pencil to cut at a 45-degree angle. This HAGA bar finish product will look something just like this. Set the HAGA bar to be 90-degree upwards and proceed to mark the area to cut with a slight dent. Proceed to cut the HAGA bar at an angle. Find the optimal position to cut with ease. Remember to file your HAGA to ensure smoothness. Cut for the other corner HAGA piece. If there's excess gaps due to misalignment when cutting, silicone the gaps to touch it up. Remember, safety first. Ensure that when cutting do it in a safe manner. Let's now take a look at how contractors cut a 90-degree corner with a mechanical saw. File the HAGA profile to ensure smoothness at the corner. Combine the corner of the two cut HAGA pieces together as shown. And that's how you form a 90-degree corner HAGA profile. Here are some of the work done by various contractors. Thank you for watching.